Have, look here, 3 outside the bracket. That means I'm distributing 3 times everything inside that bracket only. Okay, so let's do the first part. How would you write 3 times y squared? 3y squared. Okay, that's done. How would you show 3 times positive y?
3y.
Positive 3y, right? How would you show 3 times negative 2? Negative 6. That's the first part. Did everyone do that? You're getting rid of the bracket.
Yeah.
Now what do you think we have to do? We have a negative outside of the bracket. What number is this? A negative what? You can put a 1 here, right? Because if you multiply something by 1, it doesn't change that number. So you're actually technically multiplying everything by a negative 1 or a negative. Okay, negative 1 times y squared would be written as negative y squared, or I can write it as negative 1y squared so you don't forget about that 1. Then negative times a positive.
Negative.
And then a negative times a positive.
Negative.
Okay, so if you notice, inside the bracket I had positive y squared, it becomes negative y squared. I had a positive, it becomes a negative, and I had a positive, it becomes a negative. Whenever you have a negative in front of the bracket, everything inside the bracket ends up changing signs, right? That's what ends up happening. Okay? That's the hard part. Now's the easy part. What do we do now? You did this all of yesterday. Yes?
You have to rewrite each of them with the same.
Yeah. Good. Rewrite the expression or rearrange it with all the like terms together. Yes. Okay, so let's review. How do you know if terms are like terms? Same, Isaiah, same variable. Shh. And it also has to have the same exponents. Okay, so Yakub, you got the first one. 3y squared goes with... Good, negative. I'm glad you said negative. So let's write that together. 3y squared and negative 1y squared. Which terms go together next? Lee? 3y and... So let's write that next. Positive 3y and negative 2y. And then finally, negative 6 and negative 4. Okay, simplify. You guys do the last part. Now we know we can add those together, we can add those together, and we can add those together. Or subtract. What's 3 take away 1? 2y squared. What's 3 take away 2?
5.
1.
Wait, no.
Positive 1.
Take 2.
If you don't put a sign there, it's wrong.
That was addition.
It is addition. What's 3 take away 2? It's 1, so it's positive 1. Term, negative 6 take away 4 is...
10.
So your answer, your final answer should be 2y squared plus y take away 10, and that is the simplified version of the original question. Okay, good question. Can you simplify this? I have a y squared, I have a y, and I have a number, a constant term. I can't add those together. They're not like terms, so I know I'm done. I have 3 terms that are unlike. I can't go any further. That's as simple, as short as I can get it.